slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel.
So as you can see, as you can tell, if you can't already, I have jacked my wig up, but with good cause, with good reasoning, you know, because I know that scenarios like this happen all the time. They happen every day. And I'm here to show you how you guys can fix this. And I'm going to take you guys along this process. This is a custom unit. This is a 12-inch virgin straight closure with 3 12-inch bundles from hairstyle.com. And I'm going to take you guys along this process. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and at the end leave a like and a comment. And right now I'm just going ahead and cutting. You don't want to do this. You want to make sure that you have a tripod, because you'll see. In class, this is exactly why you want to make sure you have a tripod. Don't try this at home.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I went ahead and took my time and did this cut correctly. As you can tell, it's way even now, and I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, I'm just showing you guys that this is a custom unit. Yeah, it come with my tag, it come with combs, clips, and all that good stuff, bands, all of that. And if you haven't already seen one of my viral closure videos, you want to make sure that you always cut this tiny little piece of the closure off, because this will give you a seamless closure install. And today I will be using Bow Hold Active. And you want to make sure you go ahead and smooth it all out. You know what? I ain't finna sit here and play with y'all. If you ain't seen my videos by now, you need to go ahead and tune in and subscribe. Stop playing with me. Hit that subscribe button. I'm not finna break it down to y'all. That's too repetitive now. If you ain't seen my videos, I ain't even about to. Y'all know, cut that lace off. Come on now. Go and check my other videos out. And this is my own little technique that I came up with. You know, most people sprayed the lace tint before, but yeah, I'm into trying new things. I'm into being different. And this is how I know that somebody will be copying my technique, because I have not seen anyone do this, but I think it's more effective because you act, oh, truth is I'm tired. But anyway, that's how I like to do it, because it's more effective and it just melts down into this, like, just look at this.
Meltiana, oh, period. Oh. Zoom in on me. Period.
I'm just playing, y'all. I ain't worried about nobody stealing my technique, taking my technique, not giving me no credit or whatever. You know, they've been doing that. But anywho, that's just a technique that I like to use. That's something that I came up with. I think that when you spray the lace tint on after the wig is already applied and glued down, it looks better and it looks more realistic. I was playing around so freaking much and I didn't remember to part my hair correctly, so my part is crooked, you guys. You know, before you guys try to blast me and put me on blast, I know my part is crooked, but stay tuned to the end because I will be fixing it. But you're just going to take the hot comb. You know, when I lifted those tracks up, you just want to take the hair that's right in front of the tracks and hot comb over that, so it'll be a flat and seamless install. You won't see any tracks. This is a new product that I've been trying out. It's some silkening mist, and I can honestly say that this works oh so good, and it's so yummy. Yeah, it doesn't taste yummy, but it smells really good, like candy. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And I'm just taking my Conair flat iron and just pressing down my hair. I'm not really giving it a bump, but I'm not doing it super blunt and straight down either. I'm just giving it a tad little bit of a bump. But you don't want to curve it under too much, because you're going to be looking like somebody grandma ready for church. It's a pretty repetitive process. I'm sure you guys know how to flat iron. Just look at that. Get into that body. Like, this silkening mist is doing its dollar, honey. And you're just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Once you have it all flat ironed out, you're going to take the Frizz Bully Wax Stick. By the way, these products can be purchased at hairbyerickaJ.com. I know they're out of stock currently as I'm speaking, making this video, but they will be in stock very soon. Make sure you are subscribed to my website and to my Instagram to make sure you're there when my products restock. And the install is complete. Yes, my part is still crooked. Please don't judge me, but this is the very next day. And all I did was lifted the wig up. I only used one layer of glue. So I just lifted the wig up, repositioned it, and made sure my part was down the middle, and just flat ironed my hair all over again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my commentary, and I love you guys so much. See you next time.